Hello, hello everyone. We have today a seafood boil. So it's 1 pound. They had a special today. It's 1 pound of snow crab legs, a half pound of shrimp with no heads. I believe there's one potato. No, there's 2 potatoes, I believe, and let's see, 2 in there, and then 1 piece of corn. And my sauce is Old Bay and butter. This might be a little hard to give you guys a picture. Ooh, look at all that sauce. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I haven't had this since the last time I had it with you guys. What do I want first? My mouth is watering. Mouth is watering. So how are you guys? Today is my weekend. Oh, here he comes. He smells it. And I literally, no, you just ate. No, not for you. No. You just ate. I literally just fed them. Because I knew that he was going to do that. Knew it. Yes. Oh. There's no eating this nicely. I apologize. Definitely no eating this nicely. So yeah, today is my weekend. First day of my weekend. It's not really the weekend, but it's my weekend for work. And I was like, you know what? I almost ordered Chinese. That one's strong. But then I was like, you know what? I knew that they have this. Oh my goodness. I knew that they have this special on Thursdays. It's with the, there we go. It's with the, you get a pound of the snow crabs. Oh, I just messed it all up. So, like typically I'll get, it's build your own, and it's it's a half pound of, no, it's a, it's just a cluster of snow crabs, and then the half pound of shrimp with no heads. I think I got everything out of here. It's the woodpecker, red-bellied woodpecker. That noise. It's so cute. Has a red on the back of his head. Or top of his head, I should say. And it black wings with white spots. Is on the bird feeder right now. I tell you. I don't want to see her. They chase all the other birds away, the woodpeckers. But he runs at the side of me. There's like a whole family that live back there. In the trees back there. Oh, he left. He left. A lot of my birds left for the winter. I want it over here because I don't want to eat any shells. Oh my goodness gracious. We'll just do it like that. So after this video, I am going to make my rice pudding again. So that video will be coming up soon too. Come on. So sweet. Love. I see you in there. I see you. Come on. I dropped a piece in the juice. So yeah, I always get butter and Old Bay as my sauce. My favorite. Come on, come out one big piece. You're not gonna, okay. Gonna make my nose run. Let's try some of the potato. I'm like touching everything with my messy hands. Let's see what else. Oh, and I get mine mild. Y'all know I'm a wuss. Get it mild. Old Bay butter. I see how he's gonna be. He's gonna keep trying to jump up. But it's still, even though I get it mild, it still makes my nose run because I'm a wuss. I'm a wuss. Can't believe next week is Thanksgiving. Christmas is going to be here before we know it. I love when they're sweet. And these are so sweet. Snow crabs aren't always sweet, but these are sweet. I don't think there's anything in this one. I don't think. Oh, there is a little piece. Get my hair done tomorrow finally. Tomorrow morning. Can't wait. I need to trim. My bangs are so long. And get highlights and lowlights per usual. Same thing I always get. I remember when I was little, my hair was like white blonde for quite a while. And then as I started entering my like teen years, and it got like a, I don't know, what do you call it? Dirty blonde, sort of. I might mess with those when I'm done. Maybe. Sometimes those little tiny pieces are like, oh, it's not worth it. But yeah, it used to be really, really blonde, but I wonder why it changes like that. So yeah, once it got, I thought I had it on my chin, but I don't. So then as a teenager, I was dyeing it blonde, just with like box dye, until I was probably in my 20s, I believe. And then started going to a hair salon to get it done. And one time, it was actually, I think I was in my 20s. I was like, you know what? Let me just go all back to my natural color, which you can see on top. And it's like a, I don't know, dark blonde maybe. I don't know. It's not like brown. So yeah, I went all to my natural color, my whole head. And that only lasted like a couple days. I hated it. I hated it. Ever since then. Now I've been getting highlights for years. That's what I always do. It's just highlights. Highlights and lowlights. To make my nose run. Making my nose run. Yeah, I just got mild. It still makes my nose run, even though it's only mild. Ah. It's the only bad part. So yeah, this was like with the tip included. Like $42. I'll tell you, that hamburger, the cheesy hamburger potato casserole or cheesy potato hamburger casserole, however you want to say it, was so good. I ate every last bit of it. Absolutely delicious. It was very, very good. Oh. It was very, very good. I don't know if I'm going to be... I'm doing the rice pudding today when I'm done. And with Thanksgiving being next week, I don't know if I'm going to be making anything else. Y'all might see me ordering out a couple times. So I ate all of the hamburger of that casserole, and then for earlier in this week I was eating, up until yesterday I was just eating like grilled ham and cheese because I bought that lunch meat, or just regular sandwich. I had a little piece of a shell. See, that's how I like it. Oh, I'm gonna have to blow my nose. Oh my goodness. My daughter does not like seafood. I'm like, you're crazy. I love it. I guess there's quite a lot of people. I think I told y'all before, I'm not big into lobster. Crab legs are my favorite. My absolute favorite. I can eat if they're cooked really, really well, I can eat scallops. I don't like when they're rubbery or chewy, but I've been to some restaurants that they're delicious. Never tried making them myself though. Sorry. No way of eating this nice. Trying not to make it a super long video, but it takes a while to eat this. Ah. Alright, I'm gonna have to get up and blow my nose. Alright. Okay. I had to open the blind a little bit more too. I hope this is still recording. So I better move it. This video is too long, it's probably gonna stop. I will tell you, I haven't been having that issue with it stopping, knock on wood. And it makes me wonder if it was because of my computer filling up, like full of memory being full. I don't know. It's been good though. Are y'all so ready to eat Thanksgiving? Those of you that celebrate Thanksgiving. I love Thanksgiving food. Love it. Their potatoes are so creamy. I was going to go to my family's for Thanksgiving, but the 2 dogs that I watched last week, a little spicy. Luckily, it was okay. Because I didn't have any other dogs booked. That's just a tiny piece of corn. Oh, so yeah, I think I was talking about the dogs. If not, sorry. So yeah, now they're coming Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and they're picking them up Saturday before I start work. So they can't be left alone with the cats. So now I'll just make Thanksgiving dinner here for my daughter and her boyfriend and me. Because those dogs cannot be left alone with the kitties. And I wouldn't trust leaving them in a crate for that long of a time. You know, like an hour drive there, an hour drive back. Be there for like 3 hours. Plus, I know if the younger one would bark, and I don't want it irritating my neighbors. So, what can you do? What can you do? Oops. Oh. Man, I couldn't imagine what really spicy would be like. I need to hurry just in case. I don't want my, I think I had like, I edited some of my other videos that I've already recorded and got them up on my channel, but right now they're private so that I have them set to go off on certain days. And then after I get them all done on iMovie and get them uploaded on YouTube and they're up there and I double check them to make sure everything's okay, then I delete it from my computer, which I probably shouldn't do, but limited on space. I still need to figure out how, because it's 500 gigabytes I'm supposed to have, and for some reason it has 3 discs. Like one disc has, I don't know, like 100, 250. Another one has like 100. I don't know. It's all messed up. I don't know how. When it comes to Macs, I don't know. I mean, for work, we have a MacBook, and then I have my MacBook here, but my other computers are just regular Windows. But I don't understand these Macs. Like, how did it go from 500 gigabytes to like 3 different discs now, and the 500 gigabytes is divided between the 3 discs? I have no idea. I'm not messing with that right now. Oh my goodness, so messy. Like, you can't touch anything. Can't touch anything. Starting to get full, but I will finish. I can tell you that much. Yes, I will. Now I got one shrimp left. Come on, just come out. Mm-mm-mm. Way to go, me. I just got shells back in there. Oh, I have the little forks that you can use for these, and I forgot it. It just has like 2 little prongs. I'm not messing with that. I'll mess with it later. Mess with it later. These are the worst ones when they're small. It's hard to get out. This is one reason why I like the Alaskan king crab legs, because they're easier. Easier to get the meat out of them. I need to, one of these days I need to order again from, what is it, Alaskan King Crab Company. I told you all about it before. They're like huge, they're huge. We might as well just eat this last shrimp. So good. We're losing our daylight. I'm almost done. to do. In a month, I'll be done for this semester, and then only one more semester to go. Can't wait. I can't believe how quick it's getting dark. This was delicious. Delicious. Woo. One of these times I should try the lobster again here. See, I like it. I've tried it quite a few times. It's just, I feel like it's tougher. It doesn't have the same type of flavor that I like crab flavor I like. I feel like it, maybe one of these days. Maybe one of these days. Have to get the Christmas tree up soon. Ooh. See, I like when it does that. One more. Thank goodness I don't have any hangnails right now. That would burn. So yeah, after I'm done making this, I mean eating this, I should say, I need to clean up the mess, wash my hands, and then I will be making the rice pudding. Oh man. Last one. Gotta be very careful, these scissors are sharp. And clean off the table because I see splatters everywhere. Absolutely delicious. Love it. Love this place. There's quite a few of them around me, but it's my favorite. So I don't know what I'll be eating next. If I still have my Chinese craving, maybe it'll be that. But it changes on the daily usually. Like I could be in the mood for it right now, but tomorrow I might be in the mood for something else. And I don't cook a whole lot. I'll usually do like one bigger meal that I can eat for a couple days. And I mean, because I was married at one time, I did my days of cooking dinner every single day for my husband at the time and my daughter. Now that it's, you know, just me, I'm happy with just, I need to wash my hands so I can turn my computer off. I did my days of cooking dinner every single night. Mostly every night. We went out to eat too, but. So now I usually just do one meal, usually like one bigger meal that I can eat for a couple days when I'm working, and then order a couple times. But yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. That was delicious. I ate every single bit of it. I ate every single bit of it, and it was awesome. But yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. It was messy, but it was good. Love it. Love crab legs. Love the shrimp. Thank you all so very much for watching. I hope you all have a great day and a great rest of your week. And I will see you all later. Bye, everyone.